In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create membership tiers on Patreon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a clear, compelling tier that tells supporters what they get and makes it easy for them to join. First, access your creator profile. Click your profile picture in the bottom left corner of Patreon and make sure you're viewing the creator side of your account. This ensures you see the tools meant for building and managing your membership. Next, head to the membership section. From your dashboard or the sidebar, select the membership tab. This is your command center for tiers, benefits, and the overall presentation of your page. Now, initiate your first tier by selecting Add Tier. This opens the editor where you'll set the essentials your audience will see when deciding to join. Start with the price. Choose a monthly amount that matches the value and time you can consistently deliver. Many creators begin at around $5 as an accessible entry point, then scale up for higher touch perks. The key is to price in a way you can sustain and your audience understands. Give your tier a clear, memorable name. Options like supporter, VIP, or backstage work well because they instantly communicate the level of access or recognition. Keep it short and aligned with your brand voice. Write a concise description that tells people exactly what they'll receive. Be specific about the type of content or access, how often they can expect it, and any standout perk that makes the tier worth it. Clarity helps avoid confusion and sets expectations from day one. Add a cover image or GIF that represents the tier visually. Choose something on brand, easy to recognize at a glance, and readable on both desktop and mobile. Consistent visuals across tiers help your page feel cohesive and professional. Now add benefits. Click Add Benefit and list the perks included, such as exclusive posts, special Discord roles, early access to releases, or physical merch. Use short descriptive labels so patrons can scan quickly. Make sure each benefit aligns with the price and with what you can reliably deliver each month. If you want more control, open the advanced options. You can limit the number of members to create scarcity or manage your workload, and you can request shipping addresses when you plan to send physical rewards. Turn these on only if they fit your plan. When everything looks right, click Save to activate the tier on your page. That's it, your tier is live and ready for supporters. Keep your promises, refine as you learn what your audience loves, and you'll build a strong, sustainable membership.